subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has launched its new 5G device under Mi 10 series in India called Mi 10i, and it seems to be the rebranded version of the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G smartphone that was launched in November last year in China. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi 10i features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.45 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a circular module at the top center that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with Samsung HM2 sensor plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Mi 10i comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with MIUI 12 skin on top, and it houses a 4820 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.38 by 76.8 by 9mm, and it weighs around 214.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi 10i has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from January 7th in Atlantic Blue, Midnight Black, and Pacific Sunrise color options. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mi 10i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.